Hello guys, so I'm back with a very interesting video. So this is going to be really a different video. You have already seen that in the thumbnail. The video's name is Guess the Logo and it's a core company edition. So you might be thinking what this woman is doing with this channel, what she's doing, like what video is this? So here we are going to do like a challenge. You can pause the video in between, you can try to answer if you know the answer or it will be explained in the video. Okay. So this is a video in which you will get to familiarize with the logos of the core companies. I'm trying to make the content of the channel a little bit interesting because mainly we are focusing on core companies, their opportunities, the skills required, the content, interview preparation, those things. So why not familiarize with the logos as well? So that's the thing. Okay, so I'm going to now start. You'll be seeing the logos. You'll get like some time to answer. If you are able to recognize any of the logos, it's not really hard, but some of them you might be knowing, some of them it will be new for you. So if you know any of the logos, please do mention that in the comment section. It will be interesting that way. Comments are always interesting, right? So let's start. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing because I'm trying to bring up new content. It's going to be interesting. So please support. Let's start. Okay. Ticking the timer. What is the logo? Which is the core company? I would say this is a very famous core company. I have personally worked with the boards and things of this company. If you have seen this logo, please try to answer. Actually, it was a very difficult for me to find the logos because most of the logos incorporate their name as well. So that's a challenging thing, right? So if the name is written, then it is easy. But some logos doesn't has the name. So what is this? Okay, so if you know the answer, please post in the comments. Okay, you guessed it or not. The answer is Texas Instruments. So it's a very famous company. You might have worked with the boards of Texas Instruments. They have a lot of calculators. Calculators, I have like seen numerous calculators with them or from them. It's an American-based MNC. It is a top 10 semiconductor company. So we actually deal with a lot of semiconductors. In the computer itself, there is a lot of boards and all, which is made from Texas Instrument. Processors is there, like sensors, actuators, household devices, processors. All these things are manufactured by this company. It's a very famous, one of the top 10 semiconductor equipment manufacturing company, or that is a company. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, you may have heard of this, may not have heard of this, but it is a very famous company. uh, yeah. Okay, I hope you have. If you have seen the company's logo, you might have posted that in the comment section. Let's see. The company is Broadcom. Broadcom is also an American-based MNC. It is a designer, developer, manufacturer, and supplier of worldwide a range of semiconductors and infrastructure software products. So they also manufacture softwares for that. Texas Instruments also manufacture. Broadcom is offering Broadcom is like a networking based, communication based, wireless based company. So their com means communication, right? So their main aim is to incorporate devices and circuit boards and things into the networking field. So their area of interest is that data center, networking, software, broadband, wireless, storage, industrial markets. These are their area of interest. Okay, let's move on to the third one. Okay, this is a very, I would say, a known company to me because I have personally purchased their software. I have used it. I have used it in my main project for my BTech. So I know them. If you also know them, please mention in the comment section. And let's see what the company is. The company's name is National Instruments. It's a American-based international operation. Now, why I know this company is because they have their software called LabVIEW, which is a very famous software. It's been used in like a lot of things like data acquisition, processing, and those things. And I have made a obstacle avoiding robot with the help of this software. So I know them. It is a producer of automated test equipments, virtual instrumentation softwares, just like we discussed now. Common application include data acquisition, instrumentation control, and machine vision. Yeah. So it's a very famous company that's having these kind of things. And it's also an American-based MNC. Yep. This is a very famous company. I'm pretty sure that you have heard of it. Please comment in the comment section if you know the company's name. If you don't know, uh, I think you are doing something wrong with your career path because you should be knowing this. This Q is very famous because it is Qualcomm. Uh, Generally, you can see Q and along with that they will write Qualcomm, but the symbol is actually Q. But most of the times, like 90% of the time, you will see like Qualcomm written as a whole. So, uh, but I have also seen this Q, so I try to pick it up because I don't want you guys to be too obvious. That's why I didn't pick the whole thing because what's the point, right? If I just showed you the Qualcomm, then nothing is interesting. Okay, so Qualcomm is a very famous company that mainly deals with the wireless communication things, their protocols, standards, everything. So it's also an American-based MNC. It's creating software, semiconductor services for wireless technology. As I said, they have patents for 5G, 4G, CDMA, TDS, CDMA, WCDMA, etc. Mobile communication standards. They are still in the process in the research of these communication standards for wireless technology, and their area of interest is primarily wireless technology, wireless communication, etc. Okay, let's move on. Okay, I'm pretty sure you might have seen this because uh, it's always seen in something very handy. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. It's Motorola. It's also an American-based telecommunication company. It's a primarily their you know area of interest is their mobile phones, and also they create various other things. Okay. So Motorola is an American-based telecommunication-based company. Illinois is their which is a very from the state where I'm staying. Illinois is very close. Okay, so Motorola designs and sold wireless network equipments such as cellular transmission base stations, signal amplifications or amplifiers. They have their set-top boxes, digital video recorders, network equipments, broadcasting, computer telephony, and high-definition television. So they're not only mobile phones, but also they have this TV-based, that is telephone and TV based devices like set-top box, video recorders, those things. They also create these. Okay, so it's kind of a uh, like the communication based devices they create, consumer electronics based devices they create, and mobile phones. Okay, so that is Motorola. Let's move on. I'm pretty sure you know this um because it's very near to us, Indians. Yes, the answer is Micromax. It is an Indian multinational manufacturer. Its headquarters is Gurugram. So till now we have seen most of them as American based, American origin MNCs, but this is an Indian based. So you should be knowing the symbol. This is Micromax. Okay. It's established in March 2000. It's an IT software company operating in embedded systems. You can find embedded system jobs in there. I'm not sure how much they are hiring, how much they are, requirement of employees because I've not really seen their job opportunities or anything posting anywhere. But you can always find in their portal. It entered into the mobile business in 2008. By 2010, become one of the largest companies making low-cost feature phones. It's also a phone-based company, phone company primarily. Okay, let's move on to the next one. What is this? This was also hard for me to find because they also always write their name below the logo. But this is Ericsson. It's a Swedish based company. Ericsson, uh, just like the previous two, they are also creating phones, Ericsson phones. This company also sells infrastructure, software services in information and communication technology for telecommunication service providers and enterprises, including uh, 3G, 4G, 5G equipment, and IP protocol and optical transport systems. So their main area of interest is also communication technology and communication devices. Yeah, so that is Ericsson. Yep, this is, I'm pretty sure you know this. What is this? This is, comment below, please. LG Corporation is a South Korean multinational company found by Koo In Hoi. It's the founder's name. Yeah. Yeah, LG makes electronics. Primarily, their area of interest is consumer electronics. A lot of household devices like AC, TV, fridge, all these household devices they manufacture. It's South Korean based company. Okay, they makes electronic chemicals, household appliances, and telecommunication products, and operates subsidiaries. So as I said, their main area of interest is consumer electronics. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I have included like logos that was not quite obvious. I'm pretty sure you know most of them. If you don't know, then I'm happy that I could pass on that informations with you. Yeah. If you know any of the answers, I hope you have already commented. So that makes the video interactive with the audience and the subscribers. So that's all for today's video. Keep supporting. If you want any of the type of videos, please mention. And a lot of people have asked me to create a video for embedded system skills, job roles, the job descriptions, companies hiring, etc. I'm the process of creating that. Um, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching. Bye bye.